She thought no one would stop, until a single dad mechanic changed everything. Before I take you into this heart-touching story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because today's story will remind you that kindness still exists, even in the most unexpected places. Rain poured down like heaven was crying that night. Cars rushed past without a glance, splashing muddy water across the broken road. On the side of the highway, a young woman stood alone, her umbrella broken, her eyes full of exhaustion. Her name was Elena. Her car had broken down, her phone was dead, and she was miles away from the nearest town. But more than the storm or the car, what hurt her most was what she was running from. A job that drained her, a fiancé who betrayed her, and a life that had fallen apart in ways she didn't see coming. That night, she didn't just need a mechanic, she needed a reason to believe again. Every car that passed made her hope flicker, then fade. Until one old pickup truck slowed down and stopped. Out stepped a man in greasy overalls, his hands rough but his smile gentle. His name was Ryan. He was a single father who ran a small auto shop in town, juggling between raising his 8-year-old daughter Lily and fixing cars to make ends meet. He noticed Elena shivering and immediately offered her his jacket. "Let's take a look," he said softly, his voice calm amid the thunder. As he knelt beside her car, lightning flashed, revealing the deep lines of struggle on his face, not from age, but from years of responsibility and sacrifice. He didn't ask who she was or where she was going. He just helped, because that's what his mother had taught him before she passed. When you see someone stranded, you stop. No matter what. The repair took longer than expected. Ryan suggested she come wait in his truck, where Lily was reading a storybook in the back seat. The little girl looked up, smiled shyly, and offered Elena a chocolate bar. It had been years since anyone had offered her something so simple, so pure. That moment cracked something inside her, a small tear in the wall she had built around her heart. When the car was finally running again, she insisted on paying, but Ryan refused. "Just pay it forward someday," he said with a shrug, wiping his hands on a rag. But before she left, he noticed something in her eyes. The kind of sadness that didn't come from just a broken car. "You okay?" he asked quietly. She wanted to say yes, but the truth spilled out like the rain, about the betrayal, the loneliness, the feeling that no one would ever stop for her. Ryan listened without judgment. "Sometimes," he said, "life breaks us down, so we can see who's willing to help us back up." Over the next few weeks, Elena couldn't get him or his words out of her mind. She found excuses to visit his workshop, sometimes for her car, sometimes just to see how Lily was doing. Ryan's shop was small, cluttered, but it was full of laughter, warmth, and the smell of motor oil and pancakes, because Lily often brought breakfast from the corner diner. Slowly, the emptiness in Elena began to fade. She started volunteering to help with the shop's paperwork, bringing Lily books, and sharing stories of her old life. One day, Ryan's landlord showed up demanding overdue rent, threatening to close the shop. Ryan tried to stay calm, but Elena could see the fear behind his eyes. That night, she sat alone thinking. The next morning, she returned with an idea. She offered to help him set up an online service, advertising the shop on social media, offering affordable emergency repairs for single parents and senior citizens. "You fixed my car," she said. "Now let me help fix your dream." Together, they worked late nights, Ryan handling repairs, Elena managing customers, Lily making little thank you cards for clients. Slowly, word spread. People from nearby towns started coming. The shop began to thrive. And through every shared struggle and laughter, something deeper bloomed between them, a quiet love born not out of desperation, but out of healing. Months later, on a bright morning, Elena arrived at the shop with news. She had turned down a big city job offer. "I realized," she told him, "I don't need to run anymore. I just needed to stop, and someone finally did." Ryan smiled, his eyes soft with unspoken emotion. Lily ran up, holding a drawing of the three of them together under a rainbow. "I made us a family," she said proudly. In that simple shop by the road, they found what money or success never could: belonging. Elena started a community project to help stranded travelers, inspired by the night Ryan stopped for her. And every time she told the story, she would say, "I thought no one would stop, until a single dad mechanic changed everything." And if you've ever felt unseen, unheard, or unloved, remember, sometimes your miracle comes disguised in grease-stained hands and a rusty pickup truck. If this story touched your heart, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because somewhere out there, kindness is waiting to stop for you too, and maybe, just maybe, change everything.